Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came in here with another reaction. And today we're here with Popcaan featuring Drake with a song called Weekend. There's a music video. I think this is the one from his album that is forwarding probably later this month. So we're gonna jump in this one and here with the G them I say. You don't know, big up Papi. Papi name hot in the media right now for all different reasons to blood to that. But let's go here with the G them I say. Let's go.
What yo?
What yo?
Trouble?
Good feet.
You know we go. 876 God. 6 God. Try if you rush me off. Try if you brush me off. I see. Bad man like Skull and me from unruly girl YP.
Yo, the man is singing a rabba and patois to blood. The man said, try if you brush me off. Try if it does. Yo.
Try if you rush me off. Try if you brush me off. I see. Bad man like Skull and me from unruly girl YP. YP. Disrespect we and shot a go be. They try to say we done, pussy we can done.
The man not try, the man not do it. The man not try singing a patois. The man not do it. How I'm born? How I'm born? How Punishtown ain't come from? How Moby ain't come from? How Kingston ain't come from? How Mount St. Mary? Jake, how you born, me G? How you have relaxo? Me bumbo.
They try to say we done, pussy we can done.
Can done, pussy this.
We cannot done, we cannot done. We can done, we cannot done, we cannot done. We cannot, we cannot done, we cannot done. We can done, we cannot done. Oh, me can done, boy, we dead, me don't leave my gun. Chop a load up a place like my new stadium. Street tell her give me heading at the big phantom. Them know me at the God like one of Jesus' son.
One of the song from the album, like I said before, I'm looking forward to Papi album, and I'm looking for two collabs. Hopefully them dip on it. I'm looking for a collab from Massacre with him, and I'm looking for a collab with Tommy Leaf with him. Yeah, I look for them two collab there. I don't know why, but I just know them song that if them dip on the album, I go bang. Them I go bang.
Chain run me neck, can buy a couple Chevy.
The man say short but me heavy and him not fat. Him say short but him heavy. Him pocket them heavy, money heavy, the chain run him neck heavy.
Short but me heavy. Chain run me neck, can buy a couple Chevy. Jiggle up your body for me baby. No say your love when me come in at your belly. Yeah. Bad man chill like champion and can't lie. Give you something make you ride it like a motorbike. Me are the original, me are the prototype. Them think we done with us, I kick it in a overdrive. Money can't done. Anyway we pull up is a pandemonium. This millions are discussing on the forum. This is 6 God and I have to run up and down. Trouble foot feet. Try if you rush me off. Try if you brush me off, I see. Bad man like Skull and me from unruly girl YP.
Me not tell you lie. Me know Drake talented Drake can write, but this sound like Papi have lot to do in the writing, yeah. This sound like Papi have a lot of writing in the song, yeah, dog. We just feel just write the whole song and say, yo, Drake, sing the part, yeah. Yeah, because the melodies them, a Papi melody them, the brother.
Bad man like Skull and me from unruly girl YP. YP. Disrespect we and shot a go be. They try to say we done, pussy we can done. We can done, we cannot done, we cannot done. We can done, we cannot done, we cannot done. We can done, we cannot done, we cannot done. We can done, we cannot done. Everywhere the girl them love me. In every state, every country. Cute pretty girl want make a movie. She a tell me she bad and she unruly. Man just a
I show. That's how I go on in the place. As they make it in their life, nowadays them say, yo, him sell him soul and rare. You understand? It's not necessarily the case all the time. Some of the time it is, but not all the time. So, you understand?
When I fight to the end, from them ring that bell. And as I make it in a life, them say I soul yourself. Amount of pain me feel, some of my flow can tell. Bully for friends switch up, me still wish them well. Bully for record break, bully for show get shell.
Only for record break, only for show get shed, only for friend get switch up, but him still wish them well, same way.
From you say we name a great it spell.
Try if you rush me off.
Me disappointed in another part of though. The line that the whole other part of the song end with wish them well, Solia sell. The rhyming scheme there. Him could have at least put in Cartel name. Big up Vibes Cartel. You understand? At the same rhyming scheme there, so. I don't know if him do it later in the song, but it could have dropped this too. You see me? Yeah. What? As they make a money, them see a soul you sell. Big up Vibes Cartel. Cartel put it out there, bro.
And as I make it in a life, them say a soul yourself. Amount of pain me feel, some of my flow can tell.
Cartel. Cartel. Cartel.
Try if you rush me off.
Him should have put Cartel in for this and gave him flowers.
Bad man like Skull and me from unruly. Girl, why be? Disrespect we and shot a go be. They try to say we done, pussy we can done. We can done. We cannot done. We cannot done. We can done. We cannot done. We cannot done. We cannot. We cannot done. We cannot done. We can done. We cannot
Yo, like me say, song nice. This is one from him album, I'm pretty sure. Him could have mentioned Cartel in another rhyming scheme. That is my only negative critique towards it. But apart from that, the song bad. Song solid. Big up Drake with the accent. You know that gonna accidental accent. So big up Drake himself. Big up Papi. You don't know. But like me said, the rhyming scheme fall well for put Cartel name in there somewhere somehow. You see me? Well, not somewhere somehow. It's easy. That would have been an easy 1, 2, 3. Maybe him think about it because the rhyming scheme was that rhyme. You understand? Well, so yeah, sell, Vibes Cartel, same thing. You see me? So, but yeah, Popcaan, big up yourself. Enough show get shell like you say. Enough record break, enough record set. Straight vibe. This song is a straight vibe. This song is a vibe where you can vibe to. You know that, guy. Just give me. This is actually a nice song, a masterpiece. This is a masterpiece from Papi. So I'm looking forward to see what forward after the album, which other collab him have on the album. Cause I'm looking forward to a Massacre collab and I'm looking forward to a Tamale collab. You see me? Cause we know them good. We know them good. So yeah. But anyway, Papi, big up yourself, Jake, big up yourself, Unruly Squad, Unruly Family, Unruly Fans, and big up yourself. This is how I'm gonna leave that one. If you enjoy the one and want to see more from you, Jay, leave a like on the video, yo. Remember New Year in the dog? I want to get to what? 20,000? Make us say 25,000 for that year, yeah. Can do it? You can do it, no? 25,000 for that year, yeah. Yeah, we can do that. You understand? So, I'll see you guys in the next one.